Tell me a little bit around, so we have the version control and you talked around data and your data. What if you don't have good data? Could you still get to a budgeting planning solution without having great data, or does your data need to be perfect?
This is quite a key question, because when we start out on these projects, a lot of customers say, I have fantastic data, I don't really have a data problem. But when they actually bring the numbers into the system, it really allows them to analyse their base data as well. And they actually find that, there were issues. And there were issues in their old Excel models because they didn't realise they had these data problems. So yeah, sure, you can bring in the bad data or bring in data with issues in it, and you can actually use the solution to improve your data quality as well. So you can still bring in the data that you've got and use the system just to analyse that data and continuously improve the data as you go.
No, I can add to that one too. We actually experienced with the development that we recently did with our sales module that our teams were loading certain information up into the ERP system in advance, a year in advance, for the new release of vintage for our pricing. And then when we brought that model through and started to query the ERP system to get that data out, we started noticing, anomalies in the data around different vintages loaded into the ERP system and that sort of thing. So, and then we could actually say, well, we're pulling this through from the ERP system into the model. Why is there a variance between what you were saying last year and now? Oh, well, we loaded this previously and no one ever really used it until we went to invoice the customer. Well, then we're like, well, actually, we need that latest data, and now we need to regiment a process around loading that data into the system at the right time. So when we leverage it, we're getting the right information. And so that really opened the eyes around, I guess, a little thing around our data, but actually saying, well, you know what, we didn't realize that because no one ever asked the question before. Let's actually create a process for that and rectify it. So that was great. So now what we've done is in the process, we thought we were getting the wrong data, but we're actually cleaning it up, which is great.
Fantastic.